Hello everyone, welcome to my video. So today I will show you how I made my projects with just using my mobile phone. But first let me tell you why I only use with just a mobile phone. Because, to be honest, I don't have a laptop or personal computer, so that is why I can only use a mobile phone to do programming. I'm really thankful to ChatGPT that it guided me to find a way to still learn and write program with just a mobile phone. And later, I will show you what tools I use to make my projects that are working in mine and could to yours too. So here's the team planner, that a Trello-like project management tool I built entirely on my phone. It lets users create projects, invite others, and collaborate in real time using WebSockets. I coded the front end with HTML, CSS, and JS in SPeak Editor, and built the back end in a Debian Linux environment using Termux and Visual Studio Code. The backend uses a WebSocket server to sync updates instantly, and project data is stored in Neon PostgreSQL. Authentication is done via Google Login. Everything's deployed from mobile, front-end on Vercel, back-end on Render. No PC, just a phone. First, I set up my development environment. I installed Termux, basically a Linux terminal on Android. Then I installed the Debian Linux distro within Termux. And from there, I set up Visual Studio Code in the Linux environment, along with some useful extensions. Second, I installed SPK Editor, which is available on the Play Store. I chose it because it's a lightweight yet powerful code editor built specifically for mobile devices. It supports HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, making it perfect for front-end development on the go. One of the best features is that it can clone repositories directly from your GitHub account, so you can pull your projects, make changes, and push updates, all from your phone. Third, I use ChatGPT to expand my knowledge and figure out how to build the features I want in my projects. For example, in my Team Planner project, I added real-time collaboration using WebSockets. I installed the WebSocket library inside Visual Studio Code, running on my Debian Linux distro in Termux. Then, I created a server.js file for the backend server. I asked ChatGPT how to write the basic backend logic for real-time collaboration, and it worked. Even though the server runs inside the Linux virtual machine, I can still access it locally through Chrome or even SPeak Editor. So I use SPeak Editor for front-end development and Visual Studio Code inside the Linux VM for testing and building the backend. If you want to become a developer but don't have a laptop or PC, don't let that stop you, because it doesn't have to. Your phone is more powerful than you realize. With the right apps, determination, and creativity, you can write code, build projects, and even deploy full-stack applications, all from your pocket. Being a developer isn't about having the best setup. It's about solving problems, learning constantly, and building things that matter. So if you're serious about tech, start with whatever you have. The most important tool isn't your device, it's your mindset.